Target with or without lights all the way around, shoot the target. On the back of the gun is a little toggle switch, just make sure that switch is off before we start. Don't see all that switch, please don't touch it. And to shoot the gun, first of all you have to push that button on the side. That allows you a maximum of 6 shots before you have to push that button again to reset the gun. If you don't reset after 6 shots, the gun won't work with the target. And you can reset it after every 2 shots, 3 shots, 4, whatever. Just keep doing the same thing over and over and over.
So when you do a couple of shots,
There we go.